Nice guy with a cold shoulder. Yeah, we cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers that I won't stop. To the bank roll on supermassive. Big bank for the space chatter.
6:30. I'm heading out to get some shots of the city. You know, it's a Saturday. Kind of chilly out, but it'll be warming up. It's supposed to be like 60, 70 degrees, but I'm gonna go out and get some drone shots of the city. I'm always forgetting something, but I have my drone in here. A drone, and then I have my street photography camera just to take some photos. So we'll see how it go. Okay, I decided to switch real quick because I don't want to bring a jacket because it's supposed to get kind of warm real quick, but it's chilly, so I'm just wearing this long sleeve Bel Air thing right here real quick, and then that's it. I was gonna bring this bag. Then I'm like, it's overkill. Then I'm like, this bag, but I really don't like shoulder strap things. But this bag, it's kind of big. Of course, it had my bigger camera in there and stuff, and I could put my drone right there and smaller camera, but like it's kind of overkill for what I'll be doing. So, but watch I get out there and I'll be like, dang, I should bring a big camera for this. Dang, I should have did this. Just watch it. It always happens. We out here, you know what I'm saying? We out here, about to get some shots. It's a great day in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm about to goddamn get out here and get with it. I see my boy Anthony right here. He about to get his drone popping. I'm about to get my drone popping. We all about to get this shit popping because it's a great day in the city. I'm about to fly the drone right now. There you go. What's up, Ant? Say what's up to the people.
What's up? Got the drone.
He got it out. Ooh, this a nice view. And tell him what you like about your drone, man.
And I don't know what I like about it.
He don't know what he like about his drone. He just flying. My man right here got one too. What you like about yours though?
Hey, it does everything I need, man. Everything I need.
Let's try this again.
Camelot Road, but everywhere I go, I'ma glow so they know that's me. And I'm good at every hood, I control the streets, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Came up random niggas, pull your face guard. Never play it safe, but I play smart. Trick me out some bread, that's a no-no. Bitch, I be on your head like a GoPro. Yeah, we don't talk to feds or the po-po. Niggas say they know me, you don't know, bro.
Alright guys, like I promised in the title of this video, I want to talk to y'all about creating your own opportunities and kind of give y'all some examples of what I'm talking about, because what I realized is a lot of people these days just go off and they expect for opportunities to come to them. You graduate from college, you expect opportunities to come to you because you have a degree, or you have a master's degree and you think the opportunities are going to automatically come to you because you have a master's degree, or you have all this experience and all this knowledge and opportunities are supposed to come to you. But sometimes you got to create your own opportunity, guys. And the reason I say this is because recently, I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram or follow my photography account, but recently I went out in Atlanta, got some drone footage, some shots, and then as I was editing those videos and those photos, I was like sitting here in my apartment. I was like, you know something, I'm gonna go to my apartment complex clubhouse, shoot a video and make it like a video as if they want me to make a video for them. I did that because for one, I want to get into more real estate photography and videography. So after I shot that video, of course, the apartment complex saw it, they liked it, they was like, that's a nice video, boom, boom, boom. So then I was like, all right, bet, let me send this video to other apartment complexes, and then let me send this video to real estate agents, since that's what I want to get into. I sent it out, and then somebody got back to me saying that they was going to be selling or showing a $1 million home here in Atlanta. Would love for me to get some footage of that and get kind of sort of what I did in the video that actually, matter of fact, let me show y'all the video that I made, just in case some of y'all don't follow me on Instagram or follow my photography account. notice this thing was crooked over here the whole time. That's gonna get me. But yeah, similar to that video, they wanted that type of work done. I was like, oh yeah, bet. So I was able to send a contract invoice to them. They agreed on the amount that I charged them, and your boy about to get paid for that. Got a shoot coming up this week, got another shoot coming up next week with another, no, at the end of May with another realtor. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to create your own opportunities. And that's one thing that I've learned. Like, you can't rely on a job to, even if you do have a job, you still have to have other things coming in. You still have to have some type of revenue coming in outside of your job. They call it passive income. Some type of income where you could literally either sleep and make money, or outside of work you can go out and make money some type of way. I'm pretty sure you have a skill. So what I want to say to you all is, don't wait. A lot of times, most people these days are scared. And when I say scared, I mean scared in the sense of what other people think about them pursuing their own goals. You see how crazy that sounds? I hear a lot of people saying, oh, I don't want to go hard on YouTube because people think that I'm posting too much, or people think that I'm just trying to jump on a wave, or if I try to promote myself, people gonna say, oh, he just doing this or she did. But who cares about what other people think? If it's something you really want to do, it's something you're passionate about, that's all that matters. You shouldn't care about what other people think about what you're trying to do with your life. Same thing goes with TikTok. I've heard people say, oh, you post too much videos on TikTok, or oh, you hopping on the TikTok wave, or you... TikTok is fun. It's just like Vine. If you used to like Vine back in the day, you like TikTok pretty much. It's the same thing. So just because people just hopping on it quickly, that don't mean that they're trying to blow up. They might just like having fun. They might just like posting dance videos. You know what I'm saying? So don't let what you think other people might think of you stop you from being great, because that's going to hinder you and that's going to slow you down. Going back to the YouTube thing, like, I talk to a lot of people that start YouTube channels and then eventually they stop because they be like, yeah, my friend said that, you know, it ain't picking up too quick, so I still got like 10 subscribers, and you know, but if your friends ain't motivating you, if your friends ain't like, that's 10 subscribers, but you gonna have 12 tomorrow, you gonna have 13 the next, like, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter. Growth will happen if you stay consistent and if you have passion in it. And one thing I always tell people is, if you're passionate about something, you don't hear outside people telling you that you posting too much or you trying to hop on a wave or something like that. You don't hear that because you're passionate about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, whenever I start posting my photography and videography videos on my Instagram, I just be posting. You think I care about people saying, oh, you posting too much, or oh, you trying to do... Nah, I'm passionate about photography and videography in my spare time. I'm passionate about YouTube. I'm passionate about giving advice. Why would I stop that if it's something that I'm passionate about? And then my passion can also bring me income. And then that income is passive income. At the end of the day, you will be your biggest problem if you listen to outside sources. And another saying that I like to go by is, you have to paint your own path. You control the paintbrush, guys. You control that paintbrush. You're painting your path. When you give that paintbrush to somebody else, they're painting, and then you're following the path that they paint for you. You know what I'm saying? You are the painter here. So paint your own path. You know where you want to go, paint it. Don't just let somebody else paint the path for you, or take the paintbrush from you sometime and give it back to you. Now you gotta, no, paint your own path. Create your own opportunity.
I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least expected. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least expected. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him when he least. Yeah, when he least expected. I ain't tripping, I'ma get him.